Hello students, I am making this video to help my primary and middle school learners master the concept of demonstratives. This video is also aimed at helping mothers and new teachers guide their wards and students respectively. Students of English grammar know that there are 4 demonstratives in English, which are this, that, these, and those. What you can expect to learn from this video are what demonstratives are, what are the attributes of the 4 demonstratives of English language, demonstratives as determiners or adjectives, and demonstratives as pronouns. So let's start from scratch. What are demonstratives? The English word demonstrative means to show, as in the demonstration of a new appliance, the demonstration of a working model, demonstration of a science project. Demonstratives are words that show, or more specifically point out to an object or objects, a person or persons, closer or far away from the speaker in order to draw the attention of the listener there. Remember, demonstratives is a very easy topic in English grammar because unlike possessives, which are many, there are only 4 demonstratives in English. This, these, that, those. Let's now focus on these 4 demonstratives individually. This always refers to a singular object or person that is closer to the position of the speaker. Like this, that also refers to a singular object or person, but it demonstrates the object or person that is away from the position of the speaker. You can see the examples on the screen. The man is standing close to the ball, and that's why he is saying, "This is a ball." But the girl is standing at a little distance away from the ball, so she is saying, "That is a ball." The demonstrative these is used to refer to plural nouns, specifically plural objects or people that are closer to the position of the speaker. Like these, those also refers to plural objects or people, but the ones that are far away from the position of the speaker. If you look at the examples on the screen, there is a heap of balls. The man is standing closer to it, and that's why he's saying, "These are balls," but the girl is standing away from the balls, so she is saying, "Those are balls." Therefore, it's very clear to you now that these is the plural of the word this and those is the plural of the word that. Let's now understand the function of demonstratives as determiners or demonstrative adjectives when they are used right before a noun. Let's look at the example on the left-hand side corner. This box is red. Here the demonstrative this is used right before the singular noun box. Therefore, this is used as a demonstrative adjective or determiner for the noun box. Moving clockwise, you have the example, "That boy is my friend," where that is used right before the noun boy, and therefore that is functioning as a demonstrative adjective or determiner for the noun boy. Next we have "those buildings are very old," where the demonstrative those is used right before the noun buildings, describing it and functioning as a determiner or a demonstrative adjective to the noun buildings. Next we have "these flowers are so beautiful," where the demonstrative these is used right before the plural noun flowers, thereby describing it, which flowers, these flowers, and functioning as demonstrative adjective or determiner to the plural noun flowers. Next, let's understand the function of demonstratives as pronouns, also known as demonstrative pronouns. When a demonstrative is not used directly before the noun it is referring to, then it is called a demonstrative pronoun. Let's look at the example on the left-hand side bottom. This is a red box. Here this refers to the box, but the word this is not used right before the noun box and therefore it is functioning as a demonstrative pronoun in this sentence. Moving clockwise, we have the sentence that is my friend, where that is a pronoun for the word friend, and since it is not used right before the noun friend, it is acting as a demonstrative pronoun. Let's move on to the next example, which is those are very old buildings, where the word those refers to the buildings, but as it is used away from buildings and not right before it, it is functioning as a demonstrative pronoun. Our last example on the screen is these are such beautiful flowers, where these is not used right before the noun flowers that it is referring to and therefore it is functioning as a demonstrative pronoun. So just to recapitulate the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun, remember demonstrative adjectives are the ones which are used right before the noun that they are referring to. That house is mine. That here is used right before the noun house and therefore that here is a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronouns are the demonstratives which are not used right before the noun that they are referring to. That is my house. Here that is not used before the noun house, rather it is followed by the verb is and therefore it is functioning as a demonstrative pronoun. One last thing to remember about the demonstratives is that in reported speech exercises, this in present tense changes to that in past tense and these in present tense changes to those in past tense. I hope this video helps you master the concept of demonstratives and you ace your next English exam on this topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.